माननीय सभापति महोदय, सबसे पहले मैं माननीय सदस्य से कहना चाहूंगा कि एक बार वापस गंभीरता के साथ जो फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन एक्ट में अमेंडमेंट में उसका अध्ययन करें। पर्याप्त अध्ययन के बिना इस प्रकार के आरोप लगाना ये उचित नहीं है। मुझे लगता है कि उनको इसमें सुधार करना चाहिए। और जो
I am there to protect your rights, Saket. You have raised the question in a pointed manner. Let the honorable minister reply.
अध्ययन करके आते तो मैं बताता। आप बोलना ही चाहिए सर। कोई बिना अध्ययन करे बोलेगा तो सदस्य को तो कहना चाहिए।
Honorable minister, one second, take your seat. Nothing will go on record, Saket. Saket, take your seat. Honorable minister.
सर देखिए।
Honorable minister.
सर उत्तेजना में तो वो बोलता है।
One second. There are not many with your experience in house at the moment.
Yes, sir.
You please handhold Saket. He's a first term MP, but nothing will go on record, Saket. Saket, all of one second. I can tell the honorable members. One second, please. No cross talks. No cross talk. Our learning does not end with anything at all. Even if we, can you take your seat? Can you take your seat? Can you take your seat? I hereby name. You have to learn discipline and decorum. You have to remember you are a member of this august house. Being a member of this house is a prestige that is recorded ever in history. This is not the 1 second. Don't force my hands to go to the unpleasant extent. I will urge the leaders of the parties to please help me in this line. The honorable member Saket Gokhale has walked out of the house, and honorable members, I appreciate your gesture, but this is, 1 second, this is absolutely, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Now, honorable minister, the honorable member had drawn your attention.
Yes, sir.
In a pointed manner.
Yes, sir.
That the forest coverage in the country.
Yes, sir.
Is going down.
Yes, sir.
The honorable member has indicated that it has gone down to an extent of a particular hectares or acreage.
Yes, sir.
Now, if the honorable member is not factually, according to you, updated,
Yes, sir.
I would greatly appreciate that you and the honorable member share what is the official record and interact with him. All of us have to work in coordination here for national welfare. We are not settling scores or brownie points. So if there is a document that what the honorable member has said is perhaps distance from facts, it can happen with me, it can happen with you, it can happen with anyone, because none of us is encyclopedic. So his issue is very clear that we have to be alive to climate change. And I can tell you, honorable members, we don't have another planet. This is the only planet we have. And we are cliff-hanging. If this planet becomes not livable, I know, I notice from this chair, which most of you do not, what the honorable member does every time. Not good, not good, not good, not good. So, honorable minister, please continue.
Sir.
We want better climate first here and then address climate change.
Sir, संक्षेप में एकदम करेक्ट जवाब है सर। पहला, मैं माननीय सदस्य को कहना चाहता हूं, वो कहां से इसको रिड्यूस करने की बात बता रहे हैं। भारत सरकार का जो ऑथेंटिकेट डाटा है वो एफएसआई की रिपोर्ट है। मैं सदस्य को कहना चाहूंगा, उस रिपोर्ट पर अगर वो बात करेंगे तो उचित होता। उस रिपोर्ट में ऐसा नहीं।
You please share it with him.
सर, आपके माध्यम से करूंगा सर, क्योंकि
you share it with him during course of the day.
जी.
And put it on the table of the house also.
Yes sir.
On the table of the house.
दूसरा विषय सर, सदस्य का ये भी गलत है। फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन एक्ट पे सुप्रीम कोर्ट का कोई निर्णय नहीं आया। तथ्यात्मक विषय था, मेरा आपके सामने रखना जरूरी है, इसलिए वो उत्तेजित हो रहे हैं तो गलत हो रहे हैं सर। होना नहीं चाहिए।
The word Uttejit is withdrawn by the Honorable Minister. Yes.